Welcome my all student. In 7th class we learn subject maths. Chapter number 3, part number 6. Chapter name is SCF and LCM. We completed part 5. In the 6th number part we learn how to find LCM. In the part number 6 we learn find the SCF and LCM in the given same examples. Find the LCM prime factor methods given 3 numbers in vertical arrangement. Example is 18, 30 and 50. Find the LCM. Use vertical arrangement. I write down 3 numbers in vertical arrangement: 18, 30 and 50. 3 numbers is even number, so I divided by 2. Divided by 2, 3 numbers. Answer is 9, 15. Divided by 50, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, 9, 15 and 25. 25 is not divided by 3, 9 and 15 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Then 3 is prime number, divided by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 3 and 5 is prime number. Stop the division. Common numbers is 2, 3 and 5. Find the LCM. Common and uncommon numbers multiply. We got LCM. 2 groups in this 5 numbers. 2, 3, 5 multiply. Answer is product is 30. 3 and 5 multiply. Product is 15. 30 multiply by 15. Product is 450. LCM is 450. In vertical arrangement we got LCM. Next example is find the SCF and LCM. Example 16, 28 and 40. We write down 3 numbers in vertical arrangement. Find the SCF and LCM in same method. 16, 28 and 40 is even numbers, divided by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Answer is 40. 2 2s are 4 and 2 0s are 0. Answer is 20. 8, 14 and 20 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 2 10s are 20. Here 7 is prime number. 4 and 10 divided by 2. Write down 7s. 4 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. Remainder 2, 7 and 5. 2, 7 and 5 is prime number, so that stop division. 2, 2 and 2 is common numbers. When find SCF, write down common numbers of prime factors. 2, 2 and 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. SCF is 8. When find LCM, write down common numbers and uncommon numbers. Common numbers 2, 2 and 2. Uncommon numbers is 2, 7 and 5. Multiplication is 8 and multiplication is 70. LCM, common and uncommon number multiplication, 8 divided by 70. 8 zeros are 0, 8 sevens are 56. LCM is 560. 16, 28 and 40 vertical arrangement, SCF is 8 and LCM is 560. In this method, easy to find SCF and LCM. Next example is find the SCF and LCM. Example 15, 45 and 105. Find the vertical arrangement. Write down three numbers 15, 45 and 105 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. These three numbers in the table of 3, so that divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. 3 and 7 is prime number, so that stop division. SCF is 5 multiplied by 3. 15 is the SCF. Find LCM. Common numbers 5 multiplied by 3, product is 15, and uncommon number 3 multiplied by 7, product is 21. When find LCM, write down common and uncommon numbers 15 and 21. 15 ones are 15, remainder 1. 15 twos are 30, 30 plus 1 31. LCM is 315. We got SCF 15 and LCM 315. Verify formula of SCF and LCM. Formula is SCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of given two numbers. Here, compare the product of the LCM and HCM with the product of the given numbers. For example, find the LCM and HCF of 18 and 30. Compare the product of the given numbers. Example, find the SCF and LCM of the 18 and 30 and compare the product of given two numbers. Write down two numbers in vertical arrangement. 18 and 13. 30 divided by 2 and 3. I divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 10s are 30. 6 and 10 in the table of 2 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. 3 and 5 is prime number, so that stop division. SCF is 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 is the SCF. And LCM is common and uncommon number multiplication. 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. And 6 multiplied by 15, answer is 90. SCF is 6 and LCM is 90. Next, we verify the formula SCF into LCM. SCF is 6 and LCM is 90. Product of given two numbers. Write down two numbers 18 and 30. Six multiplied by 90. 6 zeros are 0. 6 nines are 54. Product is 540. 18 zeros are 0, 18 threes are 54. Left side 540 and right side 540. Two sides is equal product, so that this formula is SCF into LCM is equal to product of given numbers. Next example is find the LCM. Use this formula, we find LCM. Example is the product of the two-digit numbers is 1280 and GCD means SCF is equal to 4. What is their LCM? We use this formula, find the LCM. GCD into LCM is equal to product of given numbers. GCD 4, we find LCM, write down LCM is equal to product of two numbers is 1280. Here write down LCM, left side 4 is divided by 1080 right side. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 twos are 8 and 4 zeros are 0. Product dividation is 320. LCM is 320. For GCD and 320 is LCM is equal to 1280. So children, it is an easy to get learn SCF and LCM. In this way we can find SCF and LCM together in the vertical arrangement method. Today's homework is practice set 13, question 1 and question 2. Thank you my students. We meet again part number 7. I hope you understand this method. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.